Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the currency in Zoho CRM. This is useful if you deal with clients in different countries. So let's begin by following these few steps. The first step is to go to settings. Before you do that, you have to log into Zoho CRM. And to do so, just go to your web browser and open a new tab and type in crm.zoho crm.zoho and click on it. Once the website appears, if you haven't already connected your account, you'll be asked to enter your account credentials. After you do that, just log in and you will be directed to your account dashboard. Now, once you're in your account dashboard, go to settings in the gear icon in the top right corner here and look for the general settings section right here and look for currencies. Now we can't find it here, but we'll use the search bar to find it easily. This is it. Now the second step is to add or edit a currency. Click on add a currency or change home currency, and from here enter the currency name, code and symbol. You can see from the different options right here, you have the euro, etc. All the options are here. And here is the format of the preview. Here is the code and symbol. You can use the symbol or you can use the code here. This is the digit separators. You can choose to select points or commas or etc. or just spaces. And here is the decimal place. This means how many numbers after the comma right here. Once you finish choosing this, set the default currency by clicking on the star icon next to the desired currency, and that's it. Confirm the home currency. Now for the third step is to adjust the conversion rates. If you deal with multiple currencies, update the conversion rate to ensure accurate calculations. And that's it. That's how you change or manage currencies in Zoho CRM. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.